Pakistan Army, with full support and confidence of the nation, has successfully turned the tide against the menace of terrorism in the last two decades and has ensured that organized terrorism is decisively rooted out from Pakistan. This is indeed a unique accomplishment that not many countries or armies can claim. You must also understand that persona of a just and impartial commander who exhibits merit in dispensation of reward and punishment is the one who will earn unconditional loyalty and obedience of his under command. As a leader, you need to have courage and ability to take difficult decisions and then accept full responsibility. Correct decision making requires competence and confidence. The contagious energy that you will instill in your men when you lead them by example and not merely by words. The safety, honor, and welfare of your country come first, always and every time. The honor, welfare, comfort of the men you command come next. Your own ease, comfort, and safety comes last, always and every time. I must remind you that we have paid both in blood and kind to safeguard our sovereignty and integrity. Thousands of valiant sons have sacrificed their lives to enable us reach the place where we stand today. You have chosen to serve and protect your motherland, which demands the highest level of dedication, sense of purpose, and sacrifice. This pledge must never be undermined, as you have been amply equipped and prepared to diligently overpower future challenges and emerge victorious. And finally, always remain alert and prepared to respond to and defeat all intrigues and conspiracies hatched against our country with iron fist. The message is clear. The armed forces, with the support of our citizens, will never allow any country, group, or force to politically or economically destabilize Pakistan.